more worried about Grandma.
She's more worried about you
She doesn't
guys.
see the cat. Look at Sophie. Look at the kitty.
It's okay, Mama.
There's the kitty. It's okay. Look, poor kitty.
How's the kitty reacting?
She just hissed.
No. Do you see the kitty? That's a kitty.
Yeah, oh, that's a good Sophie. That's a good girl.
Normal's putting her head towards.
Good girl.
See it, refrigerator repairman.
Oh, shut up, Mike.
Nice. That's a good girl, Sophie. Yeah. Her tail's going. She's excited.
Mama. That's a nice kitty.
She's so excited.
Look at her tail.
It's okay, Normal.
Yeah, it's a good girl.
Normal, it's okay.
Gonna be feel better just like that for a little bit?
She's